Good afternoon. I'd like to talk to you today about our project Closeout for our project with the backpacks with refrigeration and radio module for the United States Army. On our Closeout checklist, we'll be reviewing: have all products been delivered to the customer? Have all performance goals been evaluated? Has the actual cost of the project been tallied and compared to the budget? Have all milestones been evaluated? Have all changes approved been identified and documented? Has past project review been scheduled? And have lessons learned been documented? And has a project plan been archived for future reference? We'll talk about the project scope. SuperPACs was provided the United States Army Ground Forces and Special Operations with backpacks containing refrigeration pouch and a radio module. Deliveries made on time according to the contract. 200 total backpacks, deliveries on September 1st, December 1st, and March 1st, all within the budget of $1.5 million. Payments acquired on time: October 30th, January 30th, and May 30th. And reviews have been completed thus far, November 16th and May 16th. The project contract was to return proprietary documents to the customer, audit scope with the customer, receive the final payment, and resolve any issues with the customer. Administration: complete performance evaluations and return staff to normal daily duties. During the closeout process, termination occurs when the project is completed or the team determines the project is no longer warranted. This can be at any point of the project. For our project, addition is the type of termination for this project. Additional contract negotiations. Due to the additional contract negotiations for backpacks, the project is added to the company, becoming part of the organization. The team becomes part of the operations, and project becomes part of the organization's operations. The control process looks at the configuration control. We monitor goals and compare to original scope. Design control: we monitor and schedule and cost throughout the project. Trend monitoring accounts for adjustments to project cost, schedule, and resources used during the project. Document control: provide document of project reports to all team members. Acquisition control: documents equipment needs, materials, and services during the project. Specification control is all the revisions to the original project are documented and delivered to all team members.